You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Polish city correctly. If you want to learn more names of famous places in Poland, more Polish names, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Let's break it down, the Polish pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English. Gdynia is how it's pronounced. So yes, you do have a G, D, A sound. It's an A sound a little bit going towards the E. Gdynia. Gdynia is how it's pronounced. Therefore, in English, simply say it similarly as Gdynia, Gdynia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.